This is Rated R Cars and Motorcycles. I'm Brian, your host, and I've got a lot of helmets here. And this is only half of the helmets that I have. I'm taking a journey to find the perfect full-faced helmet as well as the perfect open-faced helmet because I'm going to keep them for myself. Believe it or not, I found out there's not a lot of useful information out there about motorcycle helmets, specifically long oval-shaped helmets, intermediate oval-shaped helmets, round oval-shaped helmets, and I'm going to share my journey with you guys in picking out the perfect helmet. So I'm going to post a review of each helmet and hopefully that will help some of you guys. Today we're going to be talking about the Nexx X Wild carbon fiber helmet, which is one of the coolest looking helmets that I've ever seen. This helmet does comfort at any speed. You can use it on a sport bike, you can use it on a cruiser, and look like a Navy SEAL of the future while doing it. This thing is pure sex. Let's get this out of the way right up front. This helmet is for intermediate oval. I personally am a long oval, and this helmet fits me just fine. But after riding for, 30, 40 minutes, you might find if you're long oval that you have a red mark on your forehead and a discomfort. And if you're driving into work or school, the last thing you want to do is have a red mark or a red line going across your forehead. So intermediate oval fits about 80% of the riders out there. What about the rest of us? If you have a round oval-shaped head, this might be a little bit tight on the sides. If you have a long oval-shaped head, this might be a little bit tight on the front. However, I found that this was relatively comfortable for me, so I kept it as one of my choices for my full-faced helmet. If you want a sexy helmet like this, but you're not intermediate oval, you might want to hit the subscribe, because I'm going to be doing a video on how to mod a helmet to make it fit your noggin. The entire shell of the X Wild is made of carbon fiber, and it weighs in at only 3.1 pounds. You can barely feel this thing on your head. And that's going to cost you about $500 for this helmet. But to me, a helmet that looks as good as this one does, as light as this is, and with the functionality that we're about to discuss, $500 is a relatively cheap price to pay for that. The aerodynamics of this helmet are designed to diffuse the air around you, thereby reducing drag and reducing the pressure that the wind exerts on your face. And when the sun's getting all up in your grill, this helmet comes with a built-in 80% tint sun visor, which is accessible easily with a glove here on the top left-hand side. Very smooth activation. Very clean mechanics. Looks gorgeous. The X Wild has 3 generously sized air inlets on the front here and 4 exhaust ports coming out the back, keeping your dome as good as you look while wearing this masterpiece. It has a quick release on the face shield. Just pop that right up, take the face shield off. These Nexx helmets are ready-made for the XCOM Bluetooth headset. Just pop this side panel off right here, pop in the headset, and you're good to go. The X Wild comes with 3 shell sizes to make sure that you have maximum fit and don't look like a bobblehead. It comes with pin locks built in on the face shield so that you can keep out the fog when you're riding in cold weather. Bro fist for riding in cold weather. All the cushions inside are removable and washable, of course, and there is a removable chin guard as well. You have a port here for breathability. Very easy to use windshield with just your thumb, even with a glove on. Love this little rear diffuser that they have built in here. This helmet comes with the O-ring loops. One really cool thing about this helmet is that it has emergency cheek pad removal tabs here. In case you go down and someone needs to take the helmet off quick, you can just yank those down. Also got this neat little red sticker here, which is removable, but I kind of like the black and red theme, so I might actually leave that on. I do love the theme of this. It is black and carbon fiber. It has red accents here, down here, on the buckle, if you choose to leave that sticker in there. And then you have these beautiful red designs on the back, just for a really neat look. I like how it has the NEXX, the Nexx, written on the back of it. Just love the lines. It's an overall super sexy helmet. Definitely a top contender to be my full-faced helmet. It's very comfortable to wear. It's got nice cushioning on both sides. It doesn't crush your skull. I'm giving this Nexx X Wild my top rating. Highly recommended.